remember what you guys learned about yesterday in your science class?
No.
Can I have someone raise their hand and tell me if you do remember? Orlando?
Dinosaurs.
You did learn about dinosaurs. Well, to start today off, I know you guys came up. I'm all done asking questions. Hands down, please. Hands down, please. So, to start you guys off, I know you just came from recess, you just ate, but I want to need all of you to stand up. Stand up. And quickly, what are some moves that you think a dinosaur might do when he's eating?
Eat.
Yeah, what's moving? When you think
Mouth.
your mouth is moving, yeah. So, we're going to be doing a movement activity, but instead of using our mouths, please listen up, use those ears.
We're going to eat our.
We are going to use our hands. So, when he's chomping, we're going to go like this, but please be careful. People in front of you, like that. Please be careful. Don't hit person. Okay? Chomping. And what might a dinosaur do with his hands? Yeah. But just like with chomping, we're not going to hit the person ahead of us. So we're going to practice using our claws. But be nice to the person in front of you, because I'm watching, and so is Miss Gallenberg. Okay? And when he's walking, Maggie, please. Remember.
I know when he's walking.
When he's walking,
He's stomping.
he is stomping. Awesome job. So we stomp. Stomp. And when we stomp, his arms go. Okay? Do we think that we can do a movement activity with dinosaur moves?
Yeah.
I'm going to be up front, and they say what you're supposed to do in it. So if you listen, and they also talk about all different types of dinosaurs. So you're going to listen up, and you're going to follow me, because I'll be facing. You guys can see what I'm doing, all right? Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay. March, 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 march. Get those knees high. Be careful of the person in front of you. Okay. All right, listen up. Let's hear it. We're going to stop. We're going to go this way. Stomp it, stomp it.
Then we do it again.
Yeah.
Now you pick up your foot and
Stomp it, stomp it.
pick up your foot and
Stomp it, stomp it.
pick up your foot and
Stomp it, stomp it.
Then we celebrate.
We're going to chomp it.
Open up your jaws and
Chomp it. Open up your jaws.
chomp it.
Open up your jaws.
Chomp it.
Let's see it again.
Now you open up your jaws and
Open up your jaws.
chomp it.
Open up your jaws.
Chomp it.
Okay, now we're just going to do a fun dance move.
I am a Stegosaurus. Call me a Brontosaurus. I'll get you with my Taurus. Hey, 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 hey,
Hey, hey, hey. And now we're going to
I
pop.
hang with Littlefoot.
Rawr.
Gives me great input.
Rawr.
Dance at Pizza Hut.
Hey, 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 hey.
I am a dinosaur.
I can't hear you growl.
Most of us I'm jungle. Hey,
We're going to stop. Awesome job, you guys. I saw some great dance moves and great dinosaurs. You scared me a little bit. We all sit down. Now we got all our dinosaur wiggles out. Yeah, we wiggled them all out. Now if we all find our squares. Yes. Okay, so you told me what you learned about yesterday in science, which was, raise your hand.
Dinosaurs.
I'm going to pick out someone who's raising their hand. Maybe?
Green side.
During science, what'd you learn about? We just pretended to be them.
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. Do you ever remember anything that you learned? What's something interesting you learned about them? Orlando.
They stop.
They do stop, that's
They
right.
eat meat.
They do eat meat. Do you know what it's called when someone eats only meat? It starts with a C. Carnivore.
I said police officer. No.
Okay, bubbles in your mouth, please. May everyone fix their sits quickly, because I can't teach about dinosaurs unless everyone's sitting like a champion.
They eat least.
Okay, we're listening right now. So, do you guys remember what it's called when you find bones or different things in the ground. Do you know what those are called?
Bones.
Bones.
Fossils.
Fossils. Those are called fossils.
Fossils.
They can be different bones and things in the ground. Do you know what the people are called that find fossils?
No.
I
know. One that digs underground.
Yeah, they dig in the ground. Do you know what they're called? Can someone raise their hand and tell me?
Dig it.
Yes, Frank? Well, okay. It starts with a P, and it's kind of a long word. They're called paleontologists. So today you guys are going to be paleontologists. And you know what? Well, I know. You can be one today. You can be a great paleontologist, and you can show me. You guys are going to go through 3 different activities. But first, we have to know exactly what paleontologists do and what they use. So I'm going to quickly read
They
this.
use it somewhere.
Yep, well, we're going to read about it. So if you can all listen for me, that would be fantastic. So, have you ever noticed strange looking rock in a park or a beach? Maybe it had odd structures in it. It might have contained spirals or stacks of tiny discs. Maybe it seemed to have leaf prints in it. Or it might look like a bone or a seashell. Rocks such as these are called fossils. They contain remains of ancient living things. Ancient means a long, long, long time ago. Paleontologists study them and they learn about life from a long time ago. So we know they dig in the ground and they learn about things from a long time ago, right? Well, human interest in fossils is hundreds of years old. Yes, fossils. But people did not always understand what fossils were. Some people believed they rose up inside of rocks. Others thought fossils dropped from the sky. Still, others thought they were just nice things like nature. Ancient writers told of dragon bones found in China. Expert readers, their tales today believe that dragon bones are actually dinosaur fossils. Well, if we're digging these things up, do you know what we use to dig them up?
No.
Can someone raise their
A dog.
I'm going to pick on a great champion who's raising their hand. Maggie, what might you use to get dinosaur bones that are deep in the ground?
A shovel.
A shovel. We can use a shovel. Okay.
No.
We're going to keep listening. Luciana? What? Roots? Okay, wonderful, great job. Okay, well they use tools, and these tools, whether they are found in the field or the laboratory, paleontologists use special tools to do their work. In the field, those who hunt for large fossils sometimes use picks and crowbars to pry apart chunks of rock. As they get nearer and nearer to the fossils, they must be careful not to damage them, because fossils break really easily. Why do you think they might break really easily?
Because you let them fall.
No, but remember what are we studying this from a long, long time ago? So why would it break easily?
Because it's bone.
Because it's bone and it's really old, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really old. So they have to be so careful.
Like an old man.
Like an old man. They have to be really careful. Therefore, they use tiny, smaller tools such as rock hammers, brooms, and paintbrushes to clear rock particles away. So, today, since you guys are all expert paleontologists, that's what we're going to think. You guys are all expert paleontologists. You are going to be finding dinosaur bones. You are going to be digging them up, but we're not going to dig like crazy kids, are we? How are we going to dig? Very gently and slow, because we don't want to break those fossils, right? They're so old, we don't want to break them. And then, once the piece is completely, you can see it all, then you can pull it out and you're gonna put it on a piece of paper towel. And then you're gonna go for the next one. But you're not gonna be digging in there trying to find them. No, because then you're gonna break them. And then we can't build our dinosaur. Once we find all of them, we can build a dinosaur. Use the bones. And the last group, you guys, there's another tub and it's full of sand, except in that one, there's actual dinosaurs. So they're mini ones, but there's one of each of these. So you're gonna find them, and again, you're gonna go slowly because you don't wanna break them. So when you find one, you're gonna look at it, and if he has spikes, then you're gonna wanna look for something on here that has spikes. But, oh, and then this one has a curve on its tail. So maybe when I look at it, I'm gonna make sure that he has the exact curve. And when you think that you found him, you're gonna place the dinosaur right on the picture. And then you can go for another one. So there's one of each of these. You're gonna work as a team to find it. You're a team of paleontologists, okay? So what are we searching for? What's in the ground that you paleontologists are finding?
Bones.
Go ahead, Evan.
Bones.
What's another word? Starts with the F.
Very Fossils.
Fossils. You guys are gonna be paleontologists searching for fossils, okay? Be very careful, you guys. So what are you looking for? Be very careful, Gina. Does that look like careful? Very slowly. You're looking for bones? What else can they be called? Fossils. Ooh, Andrea might have found something. Be very careful. If you would like, you can. There's room in this tub for you. Can't reach it out. What part of the dinosaur do you think this is? Does anyone know? Orlando, Evan, Oscar, what part of the dinosaur do you think this is?
Snake.
No, what part of it? Like what body part?
A dinosaur.
What is that?
Little one.
You think that's his hand? Yeah, why do you think that?
Because it looks like a hand.
It does look like a hand. Do you think these are his claws?
Yes. I found that one.
Part of a dinosaur? Whoa, what do you think this part is? Yeah? Does someone want to brush this off so all the dust is off? Yeah, look at the pictures. Does he have spikes? No? So let's look again. He's got a fin on his back, right?
I know which one it is.
No, let's let Julie do it. You think it's this one? What makes you think that? So are these look the same? Is that the inside of his house or the inside of his brain? Oh, wow. Very cool. Keep reading. What is that? What animal does it look like? Because he's got wings? A bird? Awesome. What do you think he's doing? He's trying to break it?